Hey guys, Sam here. I was trying to get this Global West sway bar installed because it installs different than the original sway bar, and this came with the kit that I had bought for the front suspension and the power steering box there. Anyways, I've got it set up where I want it and got it connected here with the sway bar, and so I've pretty much placed it where I need it to drill the holes that I need to drill under here. Since the other one, like I said, the original mounts different. It mounts towards more towards the front. It's pretty. The instructions state that these can't be forward. It's got to be about 5 degrees tilted back towards the rear of the car. So I've got it pretty much in the spot that I need it. It's square, and I've got the holes with the paint marker lined out. So I'm gonna take that down and then proceed to drill the holes. But the thing about it is that this hole here that has to be drilled is inside a boxed area here. You can't get to it from here, so I have to drill the hole right there. Then the instructions say that I have to drill a 3/4 hole here in order to get that bolt or nut in there and to screw this down. This happens to fall in that boxed in area that's here. You can't get to it from the back, so there's that boxed of the frame here. That one over there you can get to. There's enough space. So I'm gonna turn you guys off and I'll proceed with that.